Why did I create such advanced strategies for dealerships? Simply put, because I know what the outcomes and the results that are possible for dealerships to get if they had the right training, if they had the right guidance, if they had the right leadership, if they knew how to get the outcomes. I know that they'll go out there and be able to get them. So that's why I created the advanced strategies that I did, so dealerships can enjoy the results, so that they can enjoy the outcomes. And so their people who take the correct training can enjoy the right skill set and gain massive confidence every day that they go out and sell cars and sell F&I products and generate revenue back in that F&I office. That's exactly why I created the strategies that I do and did, because I know that the results that are possible back in that F&I office and at dealerships as a whole.